Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we got a new cabinet for our plants. But in today's video, we will be rearranging, setting up this cabinet. Got my Coke with ice and I'm ready to go. I'm really not excited to move all this furniture.
It's editing me again. Hey guys. And I wanted to let you know again that this video was filmed a long time ago. No structure, nothing. Please watch to the end and follow because I'm gonna get better and better and better, I swear. And yeah, this was a mess. And just take it out, watch it, and you'll definitely see much better vlogs and videos in the future. Please subscribe so I can get monetized and make much better videos with a better camera, product, something stuff to just make better videos, something more entertaining. So if you wanna subscribe, just keep watching.
So I think my first thing that I should do is I'm gonna put my shoes in my closet. I'm gonna move my little cabinet over. It's really heavy, but you can slide it. My mom's gonna kill me if she sees this because I've been scratching my floor too much. I can't decide on these Converse. Oh god, they're dusty. Bought them a few years ago when the whole Converse thing was so popular. Was 80 euros. Wore them about twice and they've been sitting here ever since. The room has horrible lighting, as you can tell. Heavy one. You see her? But this is her in her full glory. She has one new leaf coming in. Heaviest split. I think this is the finished product. Gosh. It's so dusty under my bed. I can't get out my room. Let's take a little break to cut up my plants, shall we? This started growing yet. Oh, he's not doing it for me, so we're gonna chop her up because what can she do about it? The bad thing is, low-key, all the roots died off. I mean, aerial roots because negligence. I wish I could leave it like this because low-key, I have no energy. But no, my room's gonna be so cunty. Once you see my vision, you're gonna be like, wow, you're a genius. And stay tuned. On these kind of things. Moment of truth. Oh, the fuck. This was not marketed as purple. I thought it would be white. I don't even know. And it comes with this big little baggie of something. It's
So I figured out how I want to have the lights. I'm gonna have to ask my dad to drill out like the hole at the bottom so I can feed the cord through the hole. Otherwise, I can't close the door. If I try to feed it through the door, it's just not gonna work like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try and feed it through here. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me try and just do this way. That actually works. Okay, that's amazing. And then I'm gonna have a light at the very top and on the second shelf, and then this, I don't have another light for it right here. Maybe I'll get one like at some point, not yet, just whatever light goes through this glass is gonna be for these plants, but mostly the ones that I really care about I'm just gonna put on top. Let me stick it on so like the second one somewhere over here. Okay. I really like how sleek they are. I mean, I guess that's if... Okay. This is a recycled coffee jar. Look, I put a little mic ins.